Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are cleaning my art room. I filmed this video in January. That's why you'll see me putting away my Christmas tree that I keep in my art room. I did this video a long time ago and it never really fit in anywhere, so I just decided to throw it in this week. But I am going to be cleaning my art room up. And my art room was a total disaster and a total mess. So let's get on cleaning it together. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys would like me to deep clean or clean in another room, let me know down below if you want to see like a kitchen deep cleaning or a bedroom deep cleaning, and I will film that for you. I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye!